Hi friends, this is Miss Klein from room 9 bringing some math to you today from my kitchen. The school building is closed, but that can't stop us from learning together. Pause this video if you need to grab something to write on and write with before we get started. Good, you're back. Every day is a great day to learn something new, friends, at home or at school. Let's begin with a quick game of my turn, your turn. Ready? You know how to play. My turn. 3 more than 5 is your turn. 8. That's right. 5 plus 3 is an addition fact that names 8. My turn. 2 less than 10 is your turn. 8. That's right. 10 minus 2 is a subtraction fact that names 8. My turn. The total amount of legs on a spider, like Charlotte from Charlotte's Web, is your turn. Right. 8 again. Spiders have 8 legs. Do you see a pattern here? Let's do one more. My turn. I'm going to spell out a word this time. E-I-G-H-T. Your turn. 8. Absolutely. We can name numbers with words. Friends, do you notice there is more than one way to name 8? Let's try this again with 9. Klein in room 9. Do you notice anything about those words? They rhyme. Use the writing tools that you picked up at the beginning of the lesson. I want you to write different ways to name 9. You need more than addition fact names and subtraction fact names here. So think about using words, tallies, money, objects to name 9. Be creative. You can do it. Pause the video here and come back when you are ready to go on. Welcome back. Now count the number of ways you made 9. Challenge yourself to write 2 more ways to name 9. I'll be here when you come back. Pause the video now, please. Great effort, friends. Let's check your ideas with mine. Look what I've put on my kitchen table. Do you have a word name for 9? My word name for 9 is 9. Do you have a dots name for 9? I didn't have a domino, so I put together 2 dice. 6 dots in the first part plus 3 dots in the second part is the same as 9 total. That's a way to name 9 with dots. How about an addition way? Check your work. Did you record an addition fact to name 9? Here's my way. Repeated addition. Boys and girls are always excited about learning something new, right? Repeated addition is the same as multiplication. 3 in the first part, plus 3 more in the second part, plus 3 more in the third part is the same as 9 total. Now I want to step back here so you can see how Miss Klein organized her plates. Do you see that 9? 3 in the first column, plus 3 in the second column, plus 3 in the third column. Friends, that's repeated addition. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is the same as 9. It's an addition name for 9. Okay, here we go. Objects. How did you name 9 with objects? Friends, I had to work with what I have. These are left over from our Christmas project. 9 stars. That is a way to name 9 with objects. How about this one? Tallies can be used when you're keeping score, right? Did you use tallies to name 9 the way I did? When I look here, I can see the 9 tallies represent 9 snowy days. That's how we represent 9 with tallies. How about subtraction? Subtraction is the opposite of addition, right? You have a subtraction name for 9. If you don't have one on your board, you might be able to think of one before I flip my plate. Here's my subtraction name for 9. Maybe it matches yours. 11 minus 2 is the same as 9. Units. When I'm talking about units, I'm thinking about place value, rods, units. How did you show 9 with units? I used 4 blue units plus 1 yellow unit because I wanted you to see 8 blue plus 1 more yellow is the same as 9. Money. Dimes would be too much. Quarters, that's too much also. You're going to have to find a way to use nickels and pennies, friends. Be creative. Are you on this? Now, there's 2 ways to do it. I chose to use 1 nickel plus 4 pennies. That is a money way to name 9 cents. And last, we're starting to think about telling time, right? The hour hand is the most important hand on the clock. You got this. How could we show 9 on a digital clock or an analog clock? Here's mine. It is about 9 o'clock. The hour hand is on the 9. We'll learn that the minute hand is on the 12 when it is about 9 o'clock. Now I'm going to come back here so you can see all of my 9 ways. There they are. Boys and girls, we found different ways to make 9 today. We can put these different ways in a name collection box. Name collection boxes hold many different names for numbers. You will find name collection boxes on your Math Home Links paper today. You will see a number or a tag in the top left corner of each name collection box on your Home Links page. Write many names of the same number or tag in each name collection box on the page. Then take a photo of your completed work and send it to your teacher through Seesaw. Thanks for learning with me today. I love math, and I hope you do too. Until next time, friends, be well, be happy, be safe.